First, we see this beautiful baby pixie, and then we see the transformation to this gorgeous split dye bob and into the classic lob, middle part down the center. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and this channel is all about taking a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today we're going to be taking a look at some of the best short hairstyle ideas that we are currently seeing. Here we have this gorgeous undercut pixie. This one does feature beautiful highlights mixed in. She does have a bit of choppy texture throughout. Long bangs, gorgeous. Then we see this beautiful red tone bob. This particular stylist is known for doing amazing bobs and pixie haircuts, and here is just a few examples of his work. He can work with all types of textures and lengths. Absolutely amazing. Loving the bangs as well. The bob with the bangs is just stunning. Beautiful pixie cut. Gorgeous bob on an angle. And of course we have the mid-length hair with the waves. So if you are feeling inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted in today's video, don't forget to give it a like. And of course, be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So then we see another hair transformation. So she goes from mid-length hair to this beautiful blonde angled bob. The angled bob is a great option if you have thinner hair and you want the hair to appear to be a little bit thicker. So she started off with an angled bob, but it looks like she's going to be getting the hair cut into a pixie. So it looks like the stylist ended up doing more of a micro angled bob. Beautiful side swept bangs with this one. And then we have another haircut from this stylist. So it looks like his client has a pixie cut. So the stylist has the scissors and he is cutting the hair. And then he's doing a blowout to kind of add in some volume and height. Gorgeous, wow. She looks amazing. Angled bangs were added as well. And then we see this beautiful choppy pixie cut, lots of texture there going at the top, shaven back area, completely shaven sides as well, beautiful texture throughout. And then we see a hair color change. So she is going to be going with one of this season's hottest hair color trends, and that is the platinum hair coloring. She also has a beautiful pixie haircut as well. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.